So guys, this is the update, and I'm gonna show you how to get more money without single. Um, so starting off, you can do like 600. If you have more than 600k, that's good. Just hear me out first. Go to bookshelf. You see a bookshelf, right? And then if you find the lowest of the bookshelf, you identify it, buy it. Because as you can see that each one is 16 and each one is like that. So if I do it like this and then to set it like that, and boom, there you see it. It's 600k plus. It's secret. So that is his answer. But